Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to make children's special bread popcorn. It's extremely simple, just 2 slices of bread and you got yourself a really tasty snack. So now let's begin our process.
And here guys, I've taken 2 slices of milk bread, and as you can see it's nice and thick. But if you guys can't find the milk bread, then just use the regular bread. And now I'm going to start cutting it in vertical lines. And once I'm done cutting both the slices in vertical lines, then I'm going to start cutting it in horizontal lines, thus giving us small cubes of bread. And once we have all the bread cubes ready, let's dry roast them on a slow to medium flame for the next 2 to 5 minutes, or until our breads turn out nice and crunchy and crispy. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. So guys, look at our bread cubes. They're nicely roasted. I roasted them for 5 minutes on a low to medium flame, and now it's time for us to remove them in a plate or a bowl, and they have turned out very nice and crunchy. So now let's keep them aside and let's work on making our caramel syrup. So for that, I'm going to take 1/4 cup of sugar, and to that sugar I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and then we are going to keep stirring the sugar along with the water till the time the water completely evaporates from the sugar. Once the water has completely evaporated, you will see that the sugar has turned white into large crystals. And guys, don't be afraid when you reach to this stage. You just keep on stirring it, keep on cooking it on a low to medium flame, and this is what you are going to get as the end result. So guys, our caramel syrup is ready. We just need to add few more ingredients in here, and I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. This is what is going to give a really nice glossy look to our caramel syrup. So let's quickly mix it all in. Let the butter and the caramel syrup get mixed in, and now I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. The milk is also going to give the caramel a nice soft chewy texture. And guys, you just have to work on it. You just have to keep stirring it. Just mix it all together, and then once everything is mixed in, the butter and the milk, the caramel is ready. We are just going to drop in our bread cubes and make sure that they are nicely coated from all sides. Once the bread cubes are nicely coated with the caramel syrup, then we are just going to remove them in a plate for them to come down to room temperature. So just that's what I'm doing. I'm removing them in a plate and spreading them so that they cool down a little faster and they don't stick to one another. And say about in half an hour's time, the bread popcorns are going to be ready. Look at them. They're looking so nice and glossy, isn't it?
And now guys, let's give it a try. I'm sure it's going to be really yum. Can you hear the crunch? It's so nice. Nice and caramelly taste. I'm sure the kids are going to love it. Give them a glass of milk. Give them a little bit of this bread popcorn, and you don't have to run behind them with that glass of milk. I'm sure they're going to finish it off in a jiffy. So do let me know what you think about this recipe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. Do it right now. And if you do like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on this link, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye. Yummy.